What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Oi. Welcome back to AM Island Vibes. Hope you guys are doing good. I'm doing alright. Today we're back with another reaction video. I just want to say Happy New Year's, man. 2021. We are 2020 motherfucker on this YouTube channel. I said this on everything alone. We about to take over this YouTube channel. Hey yo, we going out, we going places. YouTube. Hey, 2021. Yo, remember my name. Remember my name. Alright. 2021, that's how, yo, we doing shit. We moving out. You know what I mean? But I know you guys are saying, oh, what's the videos, man? We ain't getting much reaction. You falling off. I ain't gonna cap. I've been falling off, you know what I mean? But I have a good reason this time. I've been recovering from the head cold. I never probably sound different. Right? But another thing got me distracted. Why haven't anybody told me this? Game of Thrones. Why haven't I always heard people say, oh, Game of Thrones, I just was like, sound low, overrated. I never just messed with it. Yo, nigga, that shit is lit. I know they said, alright, it's 2021 and you just find about Game of Thrones. Why haven't nobody told me? He said, alright, watch it. You know what I mean? He was like, I think you should watch it. You know, it's one thing you say, I think, but you should be like, alright, watch it. You know what I mean? Anyway. So yeah, man, I watched the whole series of Game of Thrones in probably 3 days. I'm on the last, I have 2 more episodes to go, so I say, you know what, I gotta record today. I gotta record. People keep on, you know what I mean? I can't let y'all go 2 days straight without a video. That's why I got to. But anyway, today we're gonna be reacting to London's 2021 Firework Festival. Happy New Year's, man, live broadcast, alright? If you guys new to this channel, man, smash that like button, subscribe, show your boys some love, man. Come on, the year in 2021, we're doing better on this channel for sure. On everything I love, we hitting for sure. My goal is, let me see. Can we hit 100? Can we hit the 1K mark before the month of February? Let's see how crazy y'all go. I've seen y'all do some crazy stuff before, but I don't see how crazy y'all can get. But let's get into it, man. 1K by the end of this month. We had at 700 and... oh gosh, look at this. We had 796 last time I checked. I want to go to New York to watch the ball drop. I never heard about London, so we're gonna see. That shit cool though. That shit cool. 38. I don't know why. Normally I go on the beach here in Turks and watch the fireworks, but I couldn't do that this year, because my head cold, ill, dude, that's not a good, oh gosh. It's like, I feel like oh gosh. I feel like I'm watching the actual countdown for real, like, you know what I mean? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I want to see it better than China. What are fireworks? That's it? Bunch of light? Just some lights? Nah, they gotta be fireworks. Okay. What are fireworks? Oh, that's nice. That's nice. That's nice. Okay.
In the year of 2020, a new virus came our way. We knew what must be done, and so to help, we hid.
These niggas have a narrator for their fireworks?
And they made way for the new. And every simple act of kindness was now given its due.
The Nightingale Hospital, based at the Excel Exhibition Centre in London, was constructed in just 9 days.
Buildings were lit up in blue, the colour of the NHS.
Oh! They have a fucking bird. What's so much about this bird though? Shouldn't it be like blue and red? Or Great Britain and white? That's a lot. That's a lot. Oh, they got hearts.
Thousands of people opened their windows and doors to applaud NHS staff who are working on the front line of this coronavirus crisis.
In residential streets across the UK, come onto their doorsteps.
Come on, that's
for carers.
Thank you, NHS heroes.
NHS, I know you're working hard in the UK. Thank you, NHS. Even though I'm not in the UK, but thank you, man. Thank you to everybody who've been working hard with this pandemic through the year 2020, man. You guys need an award, bro. Like a real award.
Captain Tom Mills to raise £1,000 for the NHS. He's raised just a little bit more than that.
He's a 99-year-old war vet. He's a one-man fundraising machine.
Thank you all very much.
2020 was a year, man. Oh.
We're living in a world now where working from home, that teleworking phenomenon, is something we all have to deal with.
2020, man.
Meeting. Yes, I can see you.
But hey, it's in the past. We're moving forward.
No, you're on mute, so don't.
Oh, that's nice.
So many of the nurses and doctors and consultants, as well as cleaners, the helping hands guiding us through this storm, are black, Asian, and minority ethnic.
The future holds unexposed danger, but no stress.
2020.
Humankind is no stranger to progress. And as we
Crazy year, man. Crazy year.
Progress follows fast.
Black lives.
One voice with one message. Black Lives Matter.
Yes, sir, skis. Man, I don't know about y'all, but I feel the chills running up my left arm. Cause I could just imagine being there.
2020. A year we will never forget.
Never.
We can make the new year a year of hope.
These niggas light up their bridge. They still got fireworks going on? This is a Super Bowl. That's a football stadium. I think it's Wembley Park or Wagley. I can't remember the name of the park. Sorry if I got it wrong. Oh Lord, copyright. This might get put on now. Oh, sorry, Weekend. They like pull, y'all like block, y'all like strike the whole video and then once you hear a Weekend in it. Sorry, man, I gotta put you down, but it's also such a lovely love together. Yes, we need some love together. But this is such a beautiful. Okay, I think the Weekend. Okay, yeah. Probably copyrighted too, but at this point in time, I really don't care. I just said what the Weekend is. The Weekend, like, strike your whole video. Or block it. They still going on with these fireworks. Wow. Love. That's all the world needs, man. And we can love more and spread less hate. Amazing. Amazing, man. Sorry. They get a light show, fireworks. I'm surprised they get no street dancers. Ooh. You know what this reminds me of? Batista. Boom! Yeah, hey, if you know Batista, you know. Batista probably had the most. Drop the squat, man. Hey, Batista bomb. Hey, stop playing. Wow. This is very nice, eh? Pip pip cherry out. Very nice. I know what a splendid light show. Splendid. You need to perform. Oh gosh, look at this. See, my thing always crashing on y'all. That's a deal? What the hell is that?
Yeah. Our planet is unique. A living world of diversity and wonder. It's also
Is that penguin?
fragile.
Or toucan?
With a new year comes the opportunity for change. And if we act in 2021, we can make a world of difference.
Oh yeah, that's the world.
Together, we can turn things around.
Why don't look a penguin at first?
We can restore
That's a
our
turtle.
fragile home and make it a happy new year for all the inhabitants of planet Earth.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. '21. Look forward to you guys, man. I just want to say thank you to everybody who's been subscribed from 2020. You know, you guys been showing me love from then. But, you know, all of this, I want to thank everybody, man. Once again, hope you guys have an amazing day, man. You guys know I try to spread as much positivity and love as I can. You know, me being cracky as I am, you know, it is what it is, you know what I mean? But I just want to let you guys know I really do appreciate you guys for all the support and the love you guys show me on this channel. You know, for those who love me, who, if you don't, they can suck my... I ain't gonna say that, I'm too vulgar. It's a new year. But with that being said, man, I hope you guys have an awesome 2021 for you and your family and all your loved ones, man. From my family to yours. Alright, with that being said, I hope you guys have an amazing day, man. Be happy, be blessed, and remember, the world is yours. 2021. Peace.